Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some Windows 10 falsely hardware corrupt page below screen error. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all open a search box and type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. After doing this stat, the process will be started and it's required of a few minutes to complete the process. After completing that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. After entering that, the process after a few seconds the process will be started and it is required of a few minutes to complete the process. After completing that, type a command is exit and exit the command prompt. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that type a open a search box and type a memory diagnosis. Open a Windows memory diagnosis and now click on a restart now and check for problem recommended. So click on it and after when you click on a restart now, your computer automatically restart it and it's required of a few minutes to complete the process, and after completing that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.